Welcome to the desk. Let me assist you to do well in chemistry, just like the students who have done well before you. This question is in Form 3, the mole. If 25 centimeters cube of 0.1 molar sulfuric 6 acid solution neutralized a solution containing 1.0 gram of sodium carbonate in 250 centimeter cube of solution, calculate the molarity and volume of sodium carbonate solution. So in this question, it is 3 marks. You need to collect all the 3 marks by calculating the molarity, then you calculate the volume. So we can start with the first one, which I think is directional and can be able to assist you to also get to calculate the volume. So in this case, molarity is usually moles in 1,000 centimeter cube. So we've been told mass, we've been given mass in 250. So we need to convert this mass in 250 to moles in 250. In Form 3, there is this triangle which usually assists students to be able to calculate the moles or manipulate the moles. So here is mass, and then here is number of moles which we are looking for, and then here is RFM or RAM. So we are going to use RFM. So for us to be able to get that, we need to correct formula of sodium carbonate, which is that one. Then from there, we come and now do the RFM. RFM will be equal to 23 times 2 plus 12 plus 48, which is 16 times 3. That will add up to 106 gram per mole. That is the formula for the RFM or RAM, gram per mole. Then from there, we come and now calculate number of moles. So moles will be given by mass in grams over RFM. So which is equal to 1.06 grams over 106 gram per mole. So this one is divide by, so this one will go up, that is the mole will go up, then gram will cancel, the answer is in moles. So using our calculator, 1.06 divided by 106, that will be 0.01 moles. So remember, this one you are not yet done because that one was in 250. So we need to still proceed and now calculate the molarity. So in that case, 0.01 moles is in 250 centimeter cube. What about in 1,000 centimeter cube? So 1,000 centimeter cube times 0.1 moles over 0.01. Need to avoid those mistakes. Divided by 250 centimeter cube. So this one by this 4. So that one will give us 0.04 molar. And that after that point, it will earn you 1 mark. So we need to go for the next 2 marks. So we've been told 25 of 0.1 molar sulfuric 6 acid is able to neutralize 1.06 grams of sodium carbonate. So we need to know by writing the equation of what reacted. So it is sodium carbonate, which is aqueous because we are told solution reacts with H2SO4 sulfuric 6 acid. From the molarity, it is aqueous to give us sodium sulfate aqueous plus carbon 4 oxide gas plus water, which is usually a liquid. We check through, the equation is balanced. Sodium is 2, carbonate, carbon is 1, carbon 1, oxygen are 3 here. There are 2 plus 1, those are 3. Hydrogen is 2, sulfate as a whole is 1, sulfate as a whole on the other side is 1. So mole ratio is 1 to 1. So using our known solution, because we have its volume, we have its molarity, we can get the number of moles which reacted. So this one will be our known solution. In that case, we can get its number of moles. So 25 centimeters cube, we don't know is in as how many moles, but we know 1000 centimeters cube as 0.1 molar from the molarity. So we cross multiply, we get 25 centimeter cube times 0.1 molar divided by 1000 centimeters cube. So using our calculator, 25 times 0.1 divided by 1000, that will give us 0.0025 moles. So from our mole ratio 1 to 1, so sodium carbonate aqueous and then reacts with H2SO4 aqueous, which we already now know from what we see. Moles of H2SO4, which is 0.0025 moles, will be same as of sodium carbonate because of mole ratio. So from there, we already now have the number of moles of sodium carbonate to be the same. We need now to calculate the volume. So 0.04, which is here, 0.4 molar, is in 1000 centimeter cube. What about these moles now, which is 0.0025 moles? What volume will it be in? So you cross multiply 0.0025 moles times 1000 centimeter cube divided by 0.04. Mole and mole will cancel. The final answer will be, so multiplied by 1000, you divide by 0.04. The final answer will be equal to 62.5 centimeter cube. So that one will be the volume of sodium carbonate which reacted, which will now earn you the other 2 marks, total of 3 marks. That is how the chemistry and the mole is simple. You just organize your work, you'll be able to get the 3 marks. See you next time on the desk.